fully understand because it's new is to be wary. That probably kept us alive in the old days with saber-toothed tigers and stuff, right?
The observation on because of AI has pushed more ideas pushing through, and there are parts of the ecosystem talks about it's a boom, it's a false growth in valuations.
It's overhyped.
Overhyped, and the part it says they're very, people who are believers of the AI and then they're using the tools and all of that stuff. So one is that, so how do you see these two sides of the coin together?
Well, we don't know yet. I don't think we know yet. So when a new technology comes along, and it's always been this way, there are people that get very excited by it. There's an overhype. Too many people get into it. There's a shakeout. Most of them lose, and some of them win. At the same time, people are scared of it because your human reaction of something you don't fully understand because it's new is to be wary. That probably kept us alive in the old days with saber-toothed tigers and stuff, right? If you're not sure what it is, if you come from another village, you may want to hurt me. My instinct will be to hide and maybe not engage and maybe put my head in the sand, and that might be how I survive, right? How I evolve. And yet, when you have a look at, there was a classic piece, and you can find this with a simple Google search. Deloitte did a piece of work into new technology, going back 1871 onwards. Every new technology, whether it's railways or canals,
or printing,
printing, radio, TV, cinema, internet, blockchain, and probably AI. Every single technology has created more jobs than it's displaced. I have no doubt that'll be the case for AI. People are worried about it. Yes, there'll be some tasks gone, some menial tasks gone, right? And the way to think about it is, if it's the easy stuff you do, right, that can just be replaced by AI, that'll mean that you can lift to doing the harder stuff that only humans can do, like caring for people, or advising them, or whatever it is. Right? Looking after the elderly. I don't think AI can look after the elderly. It might be part of the solution. Make sure they take their pills on time. We already have AI sensors in people's homes that detect if they've fallen, or if they're doing something out of the ordinary. It alerts a carer, things like that. But you'll still need carers. You'll still need people help. Aging economy, I think we'll still need humans, right? Can't all be done with technology. So I think there will be more jobs. I don't know yet what there will be, but there will be more jobs created from this boom, AI boom, than displaced. But yes, there will be tasks that are probably low paid, manual, and we don't really enjoy them very much, will be wiped out. No doubt.